This is the newly modernized elevator, Carnegie Science Center in North Shore, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Go up to 5 pumpkin smashers today. Otis Series M2 fixtures, van resistant, up and it's in nudge mode. This was modernized. It was originally a Westinghouse RT. We are going to stop at 1. I heard people waiting. Oh, we didn't. That's weird. Same view. I believe it has the original motor. It's much slower going down. It was faster when it was an RT, I think, or going down anyway. Same view, same hydraulic piston, I think. It's still hydraulic. I wasn't expecting this to be modded. Here are 5 down arrows left. There may be people getting on here. I don't know. Back down the ground. What floor are you going to? What floor are you going to?
4, please.
4?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Watch the indicator going down. Now the down arrow's still lit. Here's your floor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I think there are going to be some people getting on.
Yeah,
the bell.
excuse us.
Yeah, here's some people getting on. What floor are you guys going to?
Ground.
Ground. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. What floor are you going to?
Ground.
Ground. I guess we're all going to ground. Same cab. From when there was a Westinghouse.
Going down, like you can watch out here. Oh, we're going real
I
fast.
think we're going to stop at 3.
And then we can get something to eat, honey.
I think we're going to stop at 2.
Not.
He pushed enough buttons there anyway. It's okay.
You can press it again if you want.
You pushed the help him push
Sorry.
the wrong thing.
Yeah. We'll go up. Fingers out of your mouth.
He'll set the alarm off or something. Yeah,
No,
yeah,
that's
you
the
know
alarm
what you,
button.
yeah, you know because you're silly. Yeah, you know you're a character.
Max,
That's what stirs out. That was where the emergency light was. Here at ground, where everyone's getting off.
we go.
Here's where everyone goes. We can get a better cab view here, even though it's the same cab as everyone knows. We can get a cab view. See, same cab from where there's a Westinghouse RT, basic. All that. There it goes, and that's it.